To remove the motherboard, first remove the access panel. Take out any graphics or expansion cards, as well as system memory, the heatsink, and the CPU. Detach all connectors to the motherboard. Remove the screws that attach the motherboard to the chassis. Note that one of the screws requires using a screwdriver with a thin barrel to avoid damaging memory slot clips. Always pull the motherboard out carefully. And place it in an anti-static bag. To replace the motherboard, align the back panel connectors with their cutouts on the rear of the chassis and the motherboard screw holes with the standoffs inside the chassis. Reattach all screws and connectors. Replace the CPU, the heatsink, system memory, and any expansion or graphics cards.